Alright, guys. Okay, so we barely broke the orb. Bitcoin's still dropping. Let's see what happens here. That was a bad buy. That was a bad zone. I gotta admit that was ugly. Just, hold on. We gotta wait for a better entry on that. That was impulsive. Oh, let's also see. This is ridiculous. So this is another funded account that we passed. It still won't let us trade the account yet. So how's everyone's morning going? I hope everyone's blessed and having a great morning. And I hope everyone has an amazing day. What do you want to do, NASDAQ? Ooh, it's flushing. It's flushing. Come on, baby. There we go. So now Bitcoin's waking up. We might need to exit this short. It's barely in profit, but whatever. Come on, keep pushing. Push it to the limit. Come on. Come on. Get up there. I mean, it could want to come back down to that where it flushed out last night. Let's see how this candle closes. Let me show you guys what it looks like. So we tap, and then we flush all the way down. And then now we've just been kind of rebounding. Now we're at the orb high almost. There we go. Come on, big push up. Big push up. Come on, baby. There we go. It says the account's ready now. So how come it still says account locked, dude? What is going on? Still says it, dude. This is such a joke. It's just like, let me trade my account. Oh, big pullback. Bitcoin's waking back up. I wonder if I can just share. Okay, there we go. Now you guys see everything on YouTube. It was only sharing trading view. Okay, we're getting a little pullback. Come on. If this, and we're above the VWAP. Let's see if the GFU scanner called out a buy, right? Oh, no. Never mind, that's not a buy. They got some new scanners on there too. I haven't even messed with them yet. Wolf X. I don't know how to use this yet. Quantum. Yeah, I haven't used this. Oh, Killshot's calling a buy right now. There's a blue arrow right here, right now. So it's calling a buy signal. And I agree with it. If we do go higher, Solana, none of them are in great buy zones. So we'll see. Okay, we're getting a little pullback. Oh, NASDAQ. Come on, man. Come on, baby. The bulls and the bears are fighting right now. Okay, there we go. They are fighting. There we go. Oh, come on, baby. Oh, man. It's giving us a hard time. Definitely giving us a hard time. Oh, here it comes. Shit. As long as we can maintain this trend line right here. Ooh. We need this to hold, guys. Okay, there we go. Maybe we probably should have waited for the orb to get broken. But I really thought it was making higher highs, came back, pulled back, built this channel. I really thought that this was a decent spot for us to go higher and then break the orb. That white line's the orb high. And it's funny, the orb low is yesterday's orb high. I can't make this up. Oh, come on. There we go. Get up there. Boom. There it goes. There we go. Keep going, baby. Come on. Keep pushing. As soon as we start taking off, we'll trail our stop loss. There we go. There we go. Keep going. Okay, we're up 300 on both accounts. There we go. Oh, but what's Bitcoin doing now? This is where we gotta decide what to do. We might want to just take like Sui or Solana. Because both of them are at the low of the orb. And you guys know I like to play the low of the orb sometimes. Come on, let's break the orb high. Moving my stop to break even. Get up there. Get up there. Okay. So on this account, probably gonna close. And I want to see what the next candle does. Okay, closing on that account. We're gonna keep it moving on this one. I'm not gonna close it on this one. Okay, Bitcoin is pulling back again. I mean, crypto boomed yesterday. So we might pull back today, and that's why I shorted Bitcoin last night. I shorted the top. You see this? This is why I shorted Bitcoin, and I'm still holding it from last night. Because every time we push high, we've been pulling back just as fast. So that was the reason. Okay. Oh. How's everyone's morning going? Like, I really wish I was on the East Coast and I could wake up and start training at 9:30, be way more awake and energized. I mean, here in the Pacific, on the West Coast, I wake up every day at 6 a.m. and get on here with you guys by like 6:30. But yeah, I mean, obviously, I'm still slowly waking up and stuff. I don't mind doing it. I'm just saying, imagine if you lived on the East Coast. Like, shit, you could go to the gym, you got hours to get ready before you start trading. You know what I mean? You got hours. You could easily trade the pre-London or the pre-New York market too. Okay, we're pulling back here. I'm hoping we get above this orb high today. I mean, it's possible we don't though. Like today could turn bearish, but I personally don't think it will. But it could. Anything's possible in trading. I mean, nothing has to be how you want it. It's never going to be how you want it. The market doesn't care what you want. The market, people that are new need to understand. I was talking to a student last night, and I was telling him how the market is designed to take your money. Like, don't think they're out here just giving you money for free. Like, oh yeah, come trade. We just give out money. It is the farthest thing from the truth. This is designed to take and manipulate and take your money. Like, don't get it confused. That's all I'm saying. Oh, I'm happy we got out of it on the one account. But when we break the orb high, I'll probably re-enter on this account. But right now, I'm gonna wait for the orb to get broke before I enter again. Like I just. Okay. Yeah, I just want to see the orb get broke before I want to see the orb get broke. I don't understand why I still can't trade my 25K. I passed this account. Like, I don't understand why I can't trade it yet. Fucking, this was the last week I passed it, and I still can't trade it. It's crazy. I gotta send an email. Like, when you pass an account on Apex Funded, dude, within an hour you're trading, or you're able to trade. I'm not saying you should, but I'm just saying within an hour, boom, you have the master account, the live account. After you pay the $100, because when you pass Apex, you then have to pay the fee to start on your live account. But then after that, you're making um well, actually, the first 20 grand, you get 100% of that. And then after 20 grand, you're getting 90%. And you can get weekly payouts. That's why Apex is nice, guys. Apex is actually really good. I do want to try, what's the other one? Top Trader. And right now on Apex, if you guys, it's not my link, but if you use the code PW, it's this guy Patrick Wheeler or whatever, you get 80% off. So I just used it to open the second account yesterday, and we're already up. I think we're about, I don't know, close to halfway done. About halfway. Especially if I close this trade right now. I'm not going to. I want to get this. I think we're going to break the orb. It's just taking a minute. We might pull back down to my entry, like here, and then boom. It's just a slow push. We got Bitcoin climbing back up. I had a feeling crypto was going to be slow today, but we killed it yesterday, and today, or last night, I took this short, but it's not like big money yet, that's for sure. Okay. I'm about to go upstairs and make some more coffee, guys. I'm about to go make some coffee. Have you guys seen this stuff in LA right now? Man, it's crazy. These dudes are throwing boulders at cars driving by. Some are agents, or a bunch of them are agents driving by. And then, dude, some of them are even just random cars. People just driving by. Like, can you imagine driving home and then trending? Here we go. I mean, this is crazy. Dude, this is insane, dude. I just can't believe this. People aren't getting arrested for. They're just throwing boulders at. It blows my mind. Dude, those cars are all fucked up. Dude. This is crazy, dude. This is in LA. I mean, they literally have destroyed cop cars.
Dude, dog, I'll spit in your plate. I'll put my dick on your plate, nigga. Fuck your family, fuck your kids, nigga. That's how it is. I can't sleep comfortably because of you. He be fucking getting the whole fucking plate. That nigga right there. Do you go to Kava? Yeah, you do, nigga. Stop it. Yeah, you do. That nigga right there. No. Hell no. Hell no. The agenda support working families of Earth should be all right. And we're gonna.
Oh no, man. It's crazy. Crazy times. It just blows my mind that, like, they're just throwing actual bricks right at them driving by and nothing happens. Like, they say they're gonna start arresting people, but it's like, what? I don't understand how they haven't already. Like, it's crazy to me. Okay, we're gonna let this do its thing. Ooh, Bitcoin's dropping faster, guys. Ooh. Nice. Nice. Okay. Give me 1 second, guys. Hold on. Let me make some coffee. Okay, everybody. It's at the orb high. It's a crucial moment. Okay, I'm back. Okay, guys, I'm back. So, we're just hanging out. Hopefully, this thing can break the orb. I'm just gonna wait and see. But this could potentially, like, okay, we're forming this trend line. But we could be climbing this trend line and then just and swipe all this liquidity, which means we go down to like 580, no, or 680, sorry. It's possible. If we can't get above this orb high, it's scary. Dude, Bitcoin's tanking. Down to 1800. I should have kept. I also was shorting Solana last night too. I should have held it, but actually no, because look, it actually came back up all the way to the high at 160. So actually, it would have tapped me out. So I'm really happy I didn't hold that one after looking at it. But there's nowhere to enter anything right now. I'll hold the Bitcoin short, but I'm not gonna enter anything else on crypto. And then even this NASDAQ trade is so slow. We're just waiting. Let's watch some more. Really? It's ridiculous. And then they just have no respect for America.
All because we have culture we brought in here, and we are who we are, and we live in here, and we help people here. That's what we're known for. We help people, and yet we're getting terrorized. We're going through this. Our families are being, our babies are literally being ripped from our hands. If someone could please tell me if there's something we can do to
Break it in. Oh, they got in the store.
Jesus.
Look at the security guard.
I mean, I don't know why he wouldn't lock the doors. Why? It's not like someone's gonna come shopping. Right? Oh, they broke the door. Okay. They broke the door. This is crazy, man. I just can't believe they're letting this go on. They could, I mean, dude, the military could come in and end this in a matter of 24 hours. Like, if they really wanted this to stop, they could stop this. So it just doesn't make sense to me. Oh my god. They got more coming in now. This is LA, yeah. This is crazy, dude. Like, this is just insane to me that this is going on. Let's check our trade. Okay, NASDAQ's pulling back a little. Bitcoin's still doing. We're doing great, guys. We're in profit on both. We're just killing time and looking at this stuff. Minnesota Democrat rep admits on House floor that she's illegal.
Are they people actually trying to work, or are they professional people that are causing the problem? Are professional agitators or insurrectionists? They're bad people. They should be in jail. Thank you.
It's like you queued them up. That word he used, they're insurrectionists. That I can't imagine that was an accident, because it seems as though that is the place that the White House is trying to get. And
I mean, you guys want to burn the American flag and stuff, and it's like, you guys want to live here. You want to live in America so bad, but you hate America. It makes no sense.
It's a great flag. It's not obviously. I'm dragging that because you're dragging us. Over a flag, don't tell what happened. Listen, I'm here because there's people that can't be here. And I'm really trying to flag. A U.S. citizen has to do that for every human to get rights. I'm born and raised here. I'm 24 years old. I'm young. I know there's people here younger, older than me. It's immigrants built this city. There's no denying that. And they're trying to get that out. That's not okay.
This is just insane. Like, you can't, burn them. Like, you want to live here, but yet you want to say F America. it's just, and burn the flag and stuff. Like, it just completely is upside down. Like, you want to live here so bad, but you also
Some guys reporting live from downtown LA. ICE protests. All the cops, they've stopped the street. And you can see there are thousands of protesters right there. They shut down the highway, and now the cops are on their way. National Guard is upstairs. What is fascism? Fascism is a different form of rule for just
what is this old lady doing? Man?
You know, they're beating the shit out of people down here. And we're not going to take them. Why are they beating the shit out of people? But Donald Trump's crazy immigrant deportation scheme. But they're not going after the criminals anymore. They're going after you and me, regular people, working in factories, people at Home Depot looking to work for a day. What are you doing here? Protesting. We don't agree about ICE taking the families back. It's sad. Prayers for them. What do you want to tell Trump? Fuck Trump. Immigrants pay more in federal taxes than billionaires do, so I feel like they should stay here. Also, California bringing in like most of the U.S.'s economy, they can afford to go without us and without our immigrant communities. Immigrants are what LA is, and I will not stand for these people to be deported. And what do you want to tell ICE? Fuck out of LA. No one works like Mexican.
See behind us here that it is very quickly federal building a garage of federal building. Protesters were in the way. That van did get out, but not before a federal agent appeared to spray at least two demonstrators with pepper spray or mace. The organizers say they called for this rally, this demonstration, after several ICE raids in Santa Ana this morning.
It's like, what is that old white lady doing out there?
The ICE agents and other federal agencies carrying out immigration enforcements in Santa Ana this morning.
The Vegas came by and started picking people with his associates.
Edwin Rios Perez says at least several of his friends were detained at this Home Depot near Hartford MacArthur before 9, just moments before the 24-year-old arrived to look for work as a day laborer.
And they took them. And I mean, what are we doing?
Alright, let's go back to the, okay, we're about to break above the orb, guys. We're at 500 on this account. Remember when I told you, if we break above orb, I want to take another buy on this account. Unless, let me just double check though. Okay, we're still not quite there. We're really close to passing this account. So I don't want to. This is check. Okay, we're breaking orb. Pulling back on them. Oh my gosh. It's really weird. On the computer, I don't understand, or I don't know how you see your P&L for wealth charts or for Apex funded. But on my tablet on wealth charts, I'm able to look at it. I'm not sure if you guys know how to look at your P&L on wealth charts. Put it in the comments or something. I'd love to know. Like, I can do it on my tablet if I log into it. It's weird. Man, it is not wanting to give us that break above the orb, guys. And now we're forming the triple top. Why is this moving so slow? The tablet's like slow motion. It's really weird. I've never seen it move this slow. Okay, we're pulling back. We need to stay, as long as we stay above this support right here. We can't break that, guys. Yeah, this thing is moving super slow. I don't know what. Super weird. Okay, so we still need to make like 1,000. We might try this again. I mean, I don't like that we didn't get above the orb though. This is NASDAQ, NQ. Well, it's the futures contract to NASDAQ. So NQ, the mini contract of NASDAQ. So NQ mini. We're also shorted BTC, guys, and we're up on that. Okay, we're gonna. Man, should I try this? I don't know. I don't want to lose on this account. Like, we're already in a bind. We're switching between two accounts on Apex. As you can see, we're up 320 on this account. We exited on this one, but I want this to get above the orb, which is this white line right here. Or I could do this for you guys so you can see it better. Make it green. There you go. We gotta get above that green line, and then this red. This is the orb low, which is crazy because it's yesterday's orb high. Now it's the orb low. Literally same spot to the T. I mean, literally to the T. If you guys don't go over to my YouTube page, you can see yesterday's trading day. We made like almost $3 grand yesterday trading. NQ, NASDAQ. Oh shit, look at guys. We just got stopped out. It just swept us. But my stop loss was at break even. We didn't lose anything. But we also didn't gain anything. Okay, we're in again. Let's see if this can push up. I'd be happy if we can get to 910. It's not looking good. All right, there we go. Come on, give us a push up, man. We're above the VWAP still. We're above VWAP. Let me open it like that. Okay. Get some fresh air. Oh. Here we go. Sorry, guys. Look, we've been hanging on to VWAP. This white line. Boom, boom, boom. We're staying above the VWAP, which is a good thing. Matthew Cruz, what's up, my boy? So, come on, Naz. We keep tapping this orb high, but we're staying above the VWAP. Our Bitcoin short's still playing out. There's not much going on in crypto today. What do I max on bench? I can do 3 wheels for a couple. Only a few. I mean, I've never really wanted to go past that or anything. Like 3 wheels. But I never, me personally, I have more results with lower weight more reps, you know? So I would rather hit like 2 wheels for more reps than I would just a couple reps with 3 wheels. Yeah. No, you're good, bro. Yeah, I like to do. Dude, this thing is not wanting to. Come on, baby. Yeah, me personally, I like lower weight, more reps. And that's on everything that I do. Nice. Yeah, I think too many people get too caught up in. People get way too caught up in how much they can lift. It's like I don't even like I've done it just to see what I can do, but like I don't care about it. I prefer lower weight, more reps, man. You get way more of a pump. You get more. We got tapped out, guys. Okay, we're gonna have to just chill and wait for a minute. We got tapped on both accounts. So we might be coming down. Let's see what it does. We might wait for it to hit the orb below. Because as of right now, we're just moving sideways pretty much. We're not really doing a lot. We're staying within this green and red line. And if we can get back down to that orb below, yeah, that's what I would do, man. You're going to get way more out of it. I see these dudes at the gym, you know, powerlifting 2 reps at a time. And it's like, what is it? Like your muscle won't even doing 2 reps. Like it's not even going to do anything. And then take a 10-minute break in between 2 reps. Yeah, creatine's good. I don't personally use creatine. For a lot of people, it's good, man. But for me, it makes because it makes you hold water weight, and for me, it just doesn't. I don't like what it like. It just hits everyone's body and shape is different. For me, it makes me like it just makes me hold water weight in the weirdest place, the wrong places. I don't personally like it. It even makes my hands swell up sometimes. Like it's weird, man. I don't know. My body's never liked creatine. It's never. Okay, Bitcoin's still dropping, guys. That one's going good. I mean, that might be the only crypto play we've touched today, to be honest. We made a lot. We made a good amount. We hit 3 trades yesterday on crypto. And I don't want to risk losing any of that, you know? Dude, NASDAQ is really slow today. Let's watch some more LA shit. Dude. Oh, we saw this one.
Showing restaurant workers helping sheriff's deputies in Compton. You can see some of the deputies sitting in the booths as workers help to flush their eyes, likely after getting hit with tear gas. After a short break, the deputies put their gas masks back on and headed back out.
You see what's funny though? Look at the people that's helping them.
This is new video showing
They're
workers helping sheriff's deputies in Compton.
They're migrants, you know what I mean? Like
as workers help to flush their eyes, likely after getting hit with experience.
The migrants are the ones helping them at the restaurant. It's like,
We're undocumented. We've been here for thousands of years before you guys showed up, screw up everything. We think we should organize together with the U.S. working class and fight together and create a better system. We're anti-capitalist. We think socialism does
I'm
work.
saying nice to you've been managing your account.
The crap that they try to sell us as socialism, and we believe it would be a more humane system that will take care of
What is
all
WCT?
people's necessities. Is there a country we can look to kind of model the socialism idea? The only model would be Soviet Union the first 4 years. After that, it became a mess. Sadly, there was a bureaucrat leadership that grew out of that, but it has to do mainly with the attacks of the U.S. and all big powers against that system that was working. In the few years that it lasted, it showed the world that it could do much better than capitalism.
He says socialism is the answer.
In the last administration, where kids were afraid to go to school because they weren't sure their parents would be there, where people were afraid to go to work. And you just think about the disruption in families. You might have a father that's going into a warehouse or a plant. You might have a mother or not. If people are afraid to go to work.
God, this lady is a joke, dude. That lady, yeah, I'm in some trades. What's up, Jay? So we got one on NASDAQ, and then we closed it, and then we just got hit on another play on. We got hit on a play on NASDAQ. I'm shorting Bitcoin from last night. That's playing out. Crypto's real slow today, which I figured it would be, but I'm holding that short still. And we're waiting for NASDAQ to get above the orb high, the green line. I don't want to keep trying it and trying it. If anything, we might short it down to the orb below. If it wants to, I mean, it's acting like it wants, I don't know. It's just moving sideways right now, man. So, I don't know, if it rejects the orb high again, we might just short. I'm hoping we break above the orb and then we can take it. I'm not going to take another buy until we get above the orb. You know what I mean? Because all we're doing is staying within the orb, the green and the red lines. We're just moving sideways. We're not even, we got to break one or the other. But it is staying above the VWAP. You see this white line? That's the VWAP. It is staying, I mean, it's bouncing off the VWAP over and over. It's staying above the VWAP. Let's try. Nah, I just don't want to short it for no reason. I think we're just going to hang in there and wait. We just got to wait, guys. Bitcoin's pulling back up, though. It tapped into this. Now it's bouncing. I think we're going to drop back down to the orb low, to be honest. And then we might bounce off the orb low and go high. Or higher. I'm just creating this channel that I feel like it's gonna get swept. If we come back down to the VWAP, I might just try one more time. I just gotta be careful. I don't want to lose profits. It's definitely a slow day. It's not a lot going on. But it doesn't mean that it can't pick up. I mean, it's 8 a.m. over here Pacific time. Okay, let's see what happens. At the VWAP. Let's see what happens, guys. Okay, we might take this. We're gonna try this off the VWAP.
Why does it show that it happens at 11:30? Why does it say 11:30? Clearly, I'm fucking with this. Kind of fucking use the clock. Guy doesn't know how to use the clock. Well, NASDAQ again, right back to the VWAP there.
We're trying the VWAP on NQ, guys. We took a long on the VWAP, off the VWAP. See if this will break the orb finally. So far, nothing. This is a boring day, guys.
Wild. Market is literally celebrating Pride Month because it's real gay today. It's a real gay ass market.
I got a guy from YouTube on my TV right now. Patrick Wheeler, or however you say it. He's a futures trader. I suggest checking him out if you are into trading futures. Patrick Wheeler is a very good Apex funded he's a funded trader. Only trades props. Highly successful though. Makes a lot of money. Oh, we're moving, guys. We're moving and grooving. Should have taken on both accounts maybe, but let's wait for this candle and I'll maybe get in on the second account. We're playing off the VWAP, boys. Playing off the VWAP. The VWAP. Come on.
Right there, the VWAP. Once again, was holding up in the fucking VWAP.
This thing is just.
The fucking VWAP again. God fucking damn it.
Oh my goodness gracious.
Just touch the VWAP as many fucking times as we can today. Every fucking touch it.
Come on.
Touch it a million times.
Turn him down. He's entertaining. Dude. I should just wait till we broke the orb, I guess. I don't know. We need to break the orb, though. I know that. Let me grab a water, guys. Hold on. Okay. There we go. Get above this. Come on. Just get above it already. There we go. Keep pushing. Ooh, Bitcoin is climbing up, guys. Woo-wee. But as long as we stay, as long as we bounce up, drop from this box. If we break this, I'm just going to close. I'm not going to risk losing it. Let's look at some of the cryptos. Okay, so that's happening. And nothing's even broken. Look at how slow crypto is today. Okay, Solana's at the low of the orb. It could short from there. Sui could short from here. XRP, Hype, and Fartcoin, they're all at the low of the orbs. Solana could be a short from the low of the orb. Like, this isn't terrible. It just depends if Bitcoin breaks from here or what. Solana could be a short. Could be. What's going on, Ryan? How you doing, my boy? Okay, so we got a better buy on this one. Dude, this is so slow. Come on, get above the orb already. There we go. Keep going. Keep pushing. Oh, Bitcoin's climbing up there, guys. If this breaks above this, I'm closing my trade. Well, my stop loss is at break even regardless, so I'll just let it ride. I mean, it doesn't matter. I'm not worried about it. It was a small trade. It wasn't anything crazy. But I was correct shorting Bitcoin at the top over here. And technically, my TP should have been hit, but for some reason, because I moved it lower. That's right. But if I would have just went with my original TP, it would have already hit. It's all good. And it could keep dropping from here.
Somebody got to buy NVIDIA above 143 to make the market go up. I'm going to go buy some NVIDIA shares really quickly. Hold on, Jeff. I got this. I'm making it move. Don't worry. We'll get some more NVIDIA. We'll buy some more. Let's go out and do it. Do it. What?
Where's this wait? Let's watch some more LA rallies, protests. This is what's crazy. Just now, an Al Qaeda leader has called for American Muslims to assassinate Trump, J.D. Vance, and Elon Musk.
سواء كان من اصول عربيه ام امريكيه او غيرها، المهم ان يكون دينه اسلاما ونبيه محمدا عليه الصلاه والسلام، والذين بلغت عدتهم 4
calling for all the Muslims. This is crazy.
فهذا ربنا لكم وهذا مستشارهم وداعمه ماليا واداريا وتقنيا بدون نسب وهذان وزيرا خارجيته ودفاعه واهلوهم اجمعين وكل من يمت لساسه البيت الابيض بصله او قرابه.
Scary stuff.
The police just said we're all under arrest.
But what are they going to do? Because if they start arresting people in California, the jails can't hold all these people. I mean, what? They're going to have to transport people to jails in other states and cities. Like, there's no way. So they are.
Cross-eyed motherfucker. Short my stuff. Who is Michael Burry? Have you not seen The Big Short? Have you not seen The Big Short? Come on now, Michael Burry, The Big Short.
Watch the fuck out!
It really thinks gonna happen, dude. It's crazy. Like, you're gonna stand in front of a bus? And then they're like, holy crap. Dude. This is crazy. This is crazy. Yeah. Okay. Oh, we're pulling back, guys. Dude, this is just so slow today. We're still in profit on this one. Oh, Bitcoin, by the way. And then we're just where I marked it up, we're dropping right from there. Should we add to the trade? What do you guys think? Should we add? I think I'm gonna add to it. Because I have a good feeling we're gonna drop from here. I'd rather make this trade worth it. Oh, oops. So we added to the Bitcoin short, guys. Let's see what happens. Dude, NASDAQ is pissing me off today, guys. We're staying below. We're gonna stay below all this. There we go. Come on. These will be my last trades on NQ today. I'm not gonna keep getting trapped in here. And the only reason, like, I was gonna wait for the orb break, but I said screw it because it was playing off the VWAP over and over. It kept playing off the VWAP, so I was willing to do it. It kept playing off the VWAP, guys. I was willing to try it off the VWAP to see if it could break above the orb. Off the VWAP, you know what I mean? So, let's see what happens. Oh, there we go. There we go. That means Bitcoin, yeah, Bitcoin's pushing up now. That was the catch-22. Oh no. A lot of buys are coming in. Now all the sells are coming in. Just keeps going back and forth. Oh man. Yeah, we're just moving sideways today. We're not. Yeah, it's a pretty slow day, guys. It's just a slow day. Unfortunately, we're just moving sideways. Yesterday was a great Monday, I can tell you that. We made, every single trade. On crypto or NASDAQ. Every trade. Smacked. Every single trade. It was a very good day. I'm just hoping we can catch one trade on NQ today, but it doesn't seem too good. Just trying to catch one trade. Now I gotta get ready for the car auction. See, the reason I like taking a trade, like how we did on Bitcoin, right? And then adding to the trade where you're already in profit, and then you add margin to the trade. As long as you obviously think the trade's going to continue your direction, like, it's actually a very smart way to trade. Obviously, if it doesn't continue in your direction, it doesn't work out. I mean, it's not so great, but I'm just saying, when you catch it, the right trade, and it continues in your direction, adding to your position. Dude, this NASDAQ is, there it goes. It's dumping, guys. This is our last hope. Took us out on this account. This is our last hope right here. This is probably boom, took us out. Okay, well, gold. But this means Bitcoin's gonna drop. Yep, look at that. So at least our Bitcoin trade's going in the right direction. Gold buys, huh? Let's see. Hold on. If we get to this ore blow, I'll try it. Said gold buy. Oh, look at Bitcoin. Or that's Solana. Solana's playing out. I didn't take it though. I wish I did. How do you see gold buys? I wouldn't buy gold until it gets down to 33.04, 33.02. Down here, I would not even touch this. I wouldn't take gold buys here. But right now, you just broke this support, and this looks like it's going to drop. I would not take a gold buy at all. Not right now. It does not look good. There are Bitcoin shorts looking lovely. NASDAQ. Yeah, I wouldn't count on signal groups. Those are made that. Oh my goodness, look at this drop. Okay, let's see if we can bounce off of this. This could be a manipulation move to the downside to then go higher. So we're getting down to the lows of last night. Wait for it. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh, dude, we should have took a short, man. Wow. Oh, liquidity sweep, which means we could reverse. Dude, oh, we should have took the buy there. Oh my goodness. We're up a hundo. Okay. Bitcoin tanked. We're up 240 right now. Huge liquidity sweep, guys. Let's see how this ends. 5 seconds left. This is scary. The buyers are fighting. 5 seconds. Bitcoin's pulling back. I should just wait for it. This is good stuff. Big liquidity sweep. Okay, we just snagged a little quick hundo on that one. We're up 400 on this one. This is what happened last night. We had a huge liquidity sweep down to here, and then we ran. I'm just going to take my 350. I'm not going to risk it. Let's just wait for it to play out a little bit. I just took the 350. I don't want to risk losing because this is high. This is very, very, very volatile right now. Let's just wait a sec. Maybe we can pull back and then go for the buy. We're at the orb low right now. We're at the low of the orb. We could continue lower too. I mean, if we look at this. How come this chart isn't? Oh, it's still pushing, guys. Which means Bitcoin. Yeah, I mean, and now we're just waiting. We're at the orb blow right now. We could drop from here. We could try shorting the orb low. Should we try it? I don't know. I feel like the buyers are really fighting. We're at the orb low.
Like right there. Thinking we're gonna get right down there with that.
Oh, they're fighting hard. The buyers are really fighting it. Okay, Bitcoin's pulling back again. I'd like for it to hit the TP and snag 250. 250 would be a nice little hit. Just one trade and be done for the day on crypto. Okay, we're approaching the orb low. We're inside the orb now. I feel like we're gonna have a pullback. Or we could come crumbling down. We just had a major sweep. Now it's coming into the orb. Just wait. It's very volatile right now. Might come up to here even before it really drops. Like overall, I wish I held my buy. I know that. Dude, if we would have held our buy, man, we'd be up majorly. I'm a little upset. It was just so risky though, man. I wanted to make sure the peak before the summer will be July 4th. What do you mean the peak? Here we go. Man, I should have held my buy, chat. I should have held my buy. All-time highs for what? Crypto or NASDAQ? Because I tell you right now, if you go back, every bull run, we top out usually in November or December. Every bull run's peaked in November and December. Cut it up. We've always peaked November and December. If you go back and look at every bull run. You said July. July is the summer. But yeah, we always peak around November and December. Dude, I should have held my buy. This is crazy how much this just keeps going. Now we need a pullback so I can. Okay, we're at the VWAP. We're below the VWAP. I can't believe we got up that high. Man, I should have held my buys. What was it? Man, this would have been a $1,500 trade easily. And I was in on it on both accounts. But this candle right here psyched me out. This little red candle. Now I don't even know about shorts because the buyers have just really started pushing this. I feel like this was a liquidity sweep manipulation move. A manipulation move so then they can go for a long. What they do is they sweep the liquidity and then go long. I mean, it's just printing one green candle after the next. You can't even, there's nowhere to enter on this. Which also means Bitcoin is going to keep creeping back up. Dude, this is crazy. Why did I close my longs? I knew I should have held them. Something told me to hold the trade. I just did not want to risk losing it. Yeah, I got like 350, but dude, I could have gotten over 1,000. Because you guys don't understand how volatile this is. 780. This is almost a 100-point move. It's still going. We gotta pull back. I mean, this is crazy. We're inching up to this. Okay, this red box right here. You could get in on a short. It could drop from here. It could. I'm like in the VWAP right now. Need Bitcoin to drop. This thing will not stop. Oh my my goodness.
guys,
Okay. I'll check it out. He said what would happen? Dude, this thing cannot stop going up. I would be up like $2,000 on this trade if I held. Like, this is, oh my goodness, dude. I don't think you guys understand how much I would have been up if I held that long, dude. It would have been enough alone on this account to pass the eval just from this one trade. It's a 100-point move. Yeah, it's 100 points. And we were in way down here. Now it's going to break the orb. I mean, this is this green candle, green. It's not even a red candle. This is like, this has to be manipulation. I mean, this is the flush out to go higher. I mean, it's a classic liquidity sweep playbook. You know, it's now we're going to go break the orb. I mean, I don't know. We'll see. We can't even get a pullback to get in. Like, this, like, there's no chance for. The only thing I'm thinking right now is if we drop, like, all of a sudden people are going to take the profits and we're going to pull back from here. We might pull back from this red box. Doesn't look like it, though. We are extremely bullish now. This drop was all manipulation. So what they do is they have to put in huge orders. So they put in a gigantic sell position to then be able to go long and push it back up. Oh my goodness. Now Bitcoin's back up. Probably should have just closed Bitcoin at the bottom down there. I'm scared to short this. This is so strong. Okay, we're back up here. Won't stop. It just won't stop. This is insane. I mean, it's got to pull back a little bit. I mean, jeez. This is just crazy, dude. This thing will not. I mean, this has to be manipulation, dude. Oh my gosh. Alright, well, Bitcoin is way back up. I'm hoping we drop again from this zone. Just like I'm hoping NASDAQ will drop from this box. Come on. I'm not even trying to, I'm just trying to get a pullback. If we can get a pullback to here, if we can pull back to here and then shoot higher, that would be amazing. That's what I'd like to see. I don't know if we're going to get that, though. Okay, Bitcoin's starting to drop. I mean, NASDAQ's got to pull back, dude. We just went up. That's all we did is go up. And yeah, we should have held our... Really wish we would have held our long position, guys. But it happens. It was extremely volatile, dropping fast. I got scared. This thing has to pull back at some point. You know what I mean? Like, we can't just go up, over and over and over. And we have to pull back some. But I think this wants to take the orb. Right, here we go. Bitcoin ain't stopping either, man. A lot of buying pressure. It's not good because if you look, we broke this trend line. We did, technically, we did break it. Just barely, because that's the wick of it, yeah. So we're like right on the trend line for the 5 minutes. We kind of broke above it. Not really, though, but. Okay, we're starting to push down. Not much, though. Not much. There is a huge trend line. That was formed. And right now, as you can see, we're on this trend line all the way from back there. Doesn't mean it has to respect it. I'm just saying. Huge liquidity sweep, man. And then just push right back up. Not our day. I mean, we're up a little bit on the Bitcoin trade, but NQ, I guess on the other account, we're still up a little bit because we just snagged like 350 when we got in right down here. But on this account, we're down for the day. Unless this short. Oh my gosh. Let's just close this Bitcoin trade before this starts. Matter of fact, I'm going to go long. I'm going long on BTC. We're above the orb now. We should have just stuck with our original buys down here, dude. It knocked out the other account. We have to reset the other one. Okay, we're going for the buy. We broke the orb. But now it might want to pull back. That's the funny thing. Even though we broke the orb, it might not be ready to just burst. It just bursts like that. Yeah. We should have stuck with our longs down here, dude. We would be, we would have passed. That new account would have been passed on that one trade because of how volatile it is. It's over 100 points. Or past 100 points now. If we would have just took it from here to here, we might have passed. Yeah, it is what it is. Rick, what's going on, man? Gypsy fisherman. Okay, we're going long on BTC, guys. We closed the short. Shit, we might pull back and then go higher. Hopefully we stay above the orb. I should have waited. Hold on, guys, on TikTok. Hold on. We gotta reset the one account, guys. Unfortunately. Oh, Bitcoin's on a pullback. Okay. And hopefully by the time this other account works, there's still an entry for the orb. So we need to look. These still look like shorts to me, man. Bitcoin too. I don't know. It still looks like shorts. Maybe this is. I should have just held my short. Fuck. Ugh. It had an amazing day yesterday, but today is not playing out this way. I need a refresh. So I want access to the other account, guys. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Still only showing my account. Oh, we're up. We're ripping and rolling. Not much, but. And then hopefully, Bitcoin broke out of this trend line. Hoping we can keep pushing higher on both of these. Okay, let's see what happens here. Okay, now I got my other account. Okay, we're just waiting. We already have an entry on the other one. Waiting for an opportunity to take the orb high. And where are we going to take this? We're going to take it to 925. 925 looks pretty good. Let's see if we can stay above the orb. You might want to pull back now. It's just, we should have stayed in the original long down here, guys. We would have passed that one account and made $2,000 probably on the other one. This is a $2,000 trade. From down here, that was over 100 points. It would have been like $2,000, dude. I'm pissed. It really would have. It would have been at least 1,500. But shit happens, man. I didn't want to risk losing it. Okay, we're going for that. 925. Now the volume's died. I do gotta get going soon to the auction. We got a little more time. I still need to make some food too. Bitcoin's being indecisive. We might play off this box. We might come back down to this box, which is now support. Before we bounce off the orb. And bounce off of this right now. Still can't take a trade on that live account. It's crazy. I gotta email them. Because I passed a 25K account with funding pips. It's not like it says it's active, but I can't take a trade. Okay, come on, man. Bounce. Yeah, NQ has not been our friend today. I mean, we've caught some trades, but we lost some trades. Like, on this account, probably break even. Like, but if we were long down here. This red candle psyched us out. And we would have made probably $2 grand on this trade if we would have held the whole thing. That is the reality of day trading, guys. But when we're down here, it's so volatile that just this little move, $200-300, you know. And I was not trying to take another loss. This is a bad entry. Really bad entry on this account. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and follow. We go live every morning. Every morning. Yesterday was an amazing day. We killed it on crypto and NASDAQ. Every trade yesterday hit. Every single trade. Obviously today, we're not having the same luck, but on that Bitcoin short, we should have closed it down here. We should have closed. That was a dumb move. I got greedy, tried holding it longer. If you go to the Solana, still looks like a decent short, but now it's popping up. I want it to pop up. Okay, Bitcoin's climbing. Nice. This is what we want, guys. We want to get above all this. We want to get up to 109,800. And after I see some more reassurance on this, we pop above this, I can stack the trade. I'll add more to it. But first, you just get your little entry in, let it ride, show strength. You can add to it. But I do have to get ready to go to the auction, guys. I just want to see this. This is by far the last trade of the day. This one was a bad entry, guys. Both of them look like horrible. A little bit higher up than I thought. Well, guys, I'm gonna let this play out, but I gotta start getting ready. I appreciate y'all. Like, follow, subscribe. I will be getting on later, and we'll do an update on what happened with this trade. I'll go over the outcome of this last trade on NQ and on Bitcoin too. We'll see what happens. But here we go. Wait, let's see if we get some action. We can break above this. I don't know. We might start pulling back. We're just so back and forth, man. We missed our big opportunity. When we got long down here, we should have held it. We should have just held it. That was the one and done, you know. That would have been one and done for the day by far. I mean, that trade alone would have made good money. Even if we would have just took it up to this, where the resistance was, even that would have been magnificent. It would have been perfect. So, yeah, we closed way too early, guys. We did, unfortunately. But I appreciate y'all, and I will see you guys later today. I'll hop on and do an update, and then also hop on my live tomorrow morning, 6 a.m. Pacific, 9 a.m. Eastern, every single day. We go live every day, guys, every single day. So
Just what it is.
make sure you like, follow, and subscribe, all right? Appreciate y'all. Have an amazing day. God bless y'all. Peace out.